This is the Shan and Cheryl Show
on Hot FM.
I don't know nobody to do it like us. Come on, here we go.
I've been trying to live cheap. Every day I just eat Maggie Mee. One pack definitely isn't enough for my breakfast, dinner, and lunch. Just give me a raisin or some chips or curry puff. I'm so hungry, don't know where my snacks went, but I just have to eat again. A chassis pal or some chocolate bars or egg custard tarts. All my money's been spent. How about some charity makan, Ken?
I'm sorry, I don't understand how you could be hungry again. I saw you in the canteen line.
Spying on me, is it?
You had rice and veg and chicken and egg some more and rendang, and even then, you still ate some of mine.
Share with me lah. Please give me a raisin.
But a raisin is so small.
I don't care, I very hunger. I'll eat anything, even durian.
You need to stop. You eat all day, every day, total carbs.
But I'm like Kate Moss, so thin.
No, you look more like Moses Lim.
Hey!
So rude.
Come on, get up, get up, get up. This is the Shan and Cheryl Show. Yeah, we do what we do
On Hot FM.
Weekdays, 6 to 10 a.m.